everybody. As you can see, the car is safely tucked away in the garage. I have to say that I had a good experience down at the Ford dealer. When I first brought the car in, I was upset. They really didn't want to talk to me. But they took the car in and, you know, they really took care of everything. You know, in the video, I make the mistake of saying that it was a simple problem. Actually, it really wasn't a simple problem. The transmission had to come out, be disassembled. They had to go through the whole thing. But the truth is, it was a known problem. Ford knew exactly what was wrong with the car. They just needed to, you know, go through the motions, run the diagnostics, and take a close look before they actually informed me what the problem was. So, you know, so check out how my day went. It was actually a good experience. All right, we're here with Tony. Car's all fixed up.
Yes, sir.
And I'm very pleased. Everything worked out really good.
Excellent.
So thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
All right, take it easy, man.
Anything else you need in the future, please don't hesitate to give us a call.
Okay, will do.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Hey guys, I'm back at Ford. The car's fixed, and it was a simple problem. It was that one-way clutch. They had the parts. They took care of it, and all is well. And I'm here with Danette. Hey, Danette.
Hey.
How's it going?
It's going good, real good.
It's always a pleasurable experience down here. You meet some really nice people. So, all right, man, we're going to pick up the car and take it for a test drive.
Okay.
All right, so here we are. The car is back, and we are going to take it for a test drive. A lot of great people down here. It's all good. All right, guys, we got the car back. It was only here for a couple of days, and I'm taking it for the first test drive. All right, guys, so I've been driving the car around for a little while, and I can tell you that this thing is shifting better than it did before. Apparently, there really was something faulty with the transmission. I'm reading it right here. It's hard to make this out, but it says clutch and a bunch of other things that they put into the transmission. So it was all under warranty, quick turnaround time, everything went pretty good, so I'm happy. So we're back in the saddle. We'll have the car out and we'll be romping it on the streets as soon as we can get it going. All right, well, this is Nikita. This is the one swinging her arms. How's it going?
It is good.
Yeah?
Very good.
You having a good day?
Yes, I'm having an awesome day.
All right, it's always a pleasure coming down here.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Thank you.
Take it easy. All right, everybody, I got my keys and I'm ready to leave and go get my car. And I want to throw out a huge thank you to the crew here at the cashier over at Sam Galloway Ford.
Thank you for visiting Sam Galloway.
All right, you guys have been great. I'd like to stick around, but I got to move on. So take it easy, all right? You guys have a good day.
You too.
Take it easy. So now I'm just going to throw 5 gallons of E85 in the tank and switch the tune over. Car's running real good, shifting real nice after I got the transmission fixed. But now we're going to see how it's running on the 85 tune. Let's check this out. All right. Oh, yeah. Hey, you know what? I think it's shifting better than it did before. Oh, I don't know. It's got a different feel to it. Maybe my 0 to 60 times will get better now. We're going to give it a try. Getting better. Fixing that transmission did make a difference. What we got here? What is that, a 2-valve? Yeah, you want a piece of me? You want a piece of me, brother? Let's do it. All right, guys, so I'm back at the pump, filling the car with the 85. As it turned out, the problem with the car was nothing more than the one-way clutch assembly, like was shown on that website. It's just one of those things. Sometimes, you know, transmissions get built and you know, something's wrong with them, and there's a couple of them that get put out into production, and problems come up. You know, not that big of a deal. I talked to the technician. He was a really nice guy, and he just said, yeah, you know, these things happen from time to time. They had it with the F-150s, and they also have them with the Mustangs every once in a while, but no big deal. You know, did anything come up about the fact that the car was tuned? No. If you've ever talked to somebody and you can see it, that they kind of know something, you know, but then they don't mention it, the conversation was like that. I could see it on the guy's face that he knew something was up, but he wasn't going to bring it up. It was no big deal. I don't think that they could prove that the you know, the E85 tune had anything to do with the transmission problem. So, you know, and I honestly don't believe that it did either. If you look at this video that Lund put out with the car, the day tune, this was something like a mid or low 8-second car, and this thing rips, and it's got nothing more than, you know, a tune in it from John Lund Jr. So I don't think that that has anything to do with my transmission failure. So any of you guys out there that are worried about that, don't worry about that. If you get a tune from John Lund Jr., it absolutely will not do anything to your transmission. If there's any problem with your transmission or your engine or something like that, it's probably due to something else. You know, like a lot of these other engines that got the tick and the knock, and you know, the engines fail and Ford has to replace them, or even those transmissions that have, you know, the manual, the MT82D4. You know, these are problems that exist. They got nothing to do with an E85 tune. So, so that's basically it. That's my story, and you know, pretty soon there'll be more modifications to come for this car. So, stay with me, guys, as we go through this. So, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.